Alright, so to clean up your finger rolls, what I'm noticing in your videos is you got a lot of it's kind of like sporadic movement going on. And so to clean them up, you want to focus on moving one at a time, obviously. But the other thing I want you to focus on, or that will make them look good, is keeping your palms flat and facing not really facing, but up or flat down, one way or the other. If you curl them in, the roll doesn't necessarily come out quite as good looking or smooth looking. So not like that. And so a lot of people, when they want to curl one end of their finger roll or whatever, they curl a hand. That's actually not the way it's done. What you're doing is you're just taking your palms and keeping them flat and still facing up and coming from side to side. So really, your palms really aren't changing their orientation to how straight they are. They're just rotating. And one of the things you can do to really help you practice is you can find a table edge. You can set your hands down on the table, like you're going to do your finger roll. And then you can do your finger rolls on a table edge and try to hit, one finger down at a time. And this will help you practice keeping your palms straight and doing the finger roll. And then once you get this hand position down on the top of the table, you then do this hand position and go one way, go the other, and then one way, then the other, one way, then the other. So you want to be able to do it starting on both ends. See, I'm curving my hands a little bit. And then you want to be able to switch. So that way you can start doing the infinite rolls. Then once you have the top of the table down, you go to the bottom of the table like that. Do it one way, then the other, one way, then the other. Then you switch. Boop, boop, boop. One way, the other. So eventually, you get so used to doing it on the tabletop, you can do it in midair. Then you can do connecting the finger rolls with your hands in opposite directions. Then you can connect the fingernails there. So yeah, it just takes practice and time and going slow. If you start trying to whip them out really fast, not only do your hands get tired really fast, but it just looks sloppy. So if at first when you're learning them, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then you'll get faster. 1, 2,